Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood and metal furniture and decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In contemporary interior design and furniture production, the integration of metal and wood in craftsmanship has become one of the most influential trends shaping modern homes and commercial spaces. This fusion of materials represents a balance between natural beauty and industrial strength, reflecting both traditional woodworking heritage and modern design innovation. As urban lifestyles evolve and interior spaces become more multifunctional, furniture made from metal and wood is increasingly valued for its durability, aesthetic appeal, and long-term practicality. Modern woodworking trends emphasize not only functionality, but also artistic expression, sustainability, and the ability to create products that enhance the visual identity of interior environments. Wood has always been a fundamental material in furniture, making due to its natural warmth, organic textures, and timeless character. For centuries, craftsmen have used different types of wood to create furniture that is both practical and decorative. Natural wood grains, colors, and patterns provide a unique aesthetic quality that cannot be replicated easily by synthetic materials. Because of this, wooden furniture remains an essential element of interior decoration, bringing comfort and elegance into homes, offices, and hospitality spaces. Designers often highlight the natural appearance of wood through finishes that preserve its authentic texture and color, reflecting a growing preference for natural materials in modern interior design. In recent years, homeowners and designers have increasingly favored raw wood finishes and matte coatings that enhance the natural grain while improving durability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. However, modern furniture design rarely relies solely on one material. Instead, it often combines different materials to achieve both structural strength and aesthetic harmony. One of the most notable trends in modern woodworking is the integration of metal frames with wooden surfaces. This hybrid approach allows designers to combine the warmth of wood with the structural integrity of metal, creating furniture pieces that are both visually appealing and exceptionally durable. Metal elements provide stability and load-bearing strength, while wooden components contribute texture and character. The result is furniture that fits perfectly into contemporary interiors where simplicity, functionality, and elegance are equally important. The popularity of metal and wood furniture can also be explained by the rise of minimalist and industrial design styles. These styles emphasize clean lines, simple forms, and the honest expression of materials. In industrial design, for example, furniture often features exposed metal frames combined with natural wooden surfaces. The contrast between the cool, sleek appearance of metal and the warm, organic feel of wood creates a visually striking effect that enhances modern interiors. Minimalist spaces particularly benefit from this combination because it provides visual interest without unnecessary ornamentation. Wooden tables supported by slim metal legs or shelving units made from wooden boards and metal frames have become common features in modern apartments and contemporary homes. Durability is another important factor driving the adoption of metal and wood furniture in today's market. Modern consumers are increasingly interested in furniture that can withstand daily use while maintaining its visual appeal for many years. Metal components provide exceptional structural strength and resistance to wear, making them ideal for furniture that must support heavy loads or endure frequent use. Steel and aluminum frames, for instance, can carry significant weight without bending or breaking, which makes them suitable for dining tables, beds, and shelving systems. Additionally, metal surfaces can be treated with protective coatings that prevent corrosion, scratches, and other forms of damage. Wood, on the other hand, contributes durability in a different way. High-quality hardwoods such as oak, walnut, and teak are known for their long lifespan and ability to age gracefully. In fact, some wooden furniture pieces can last for decades or even generations when properly maintained. Teak furniture, for example, is famous for its natural resistance to weather and pests, which is why it is often used in outdoor furniture and marine applications. Over time, the surface of wood develops a distinctive patina that enhances its character and beauty, giving each piece a sense of history and authenticity. When these two materials are combined, the result is furniture that offers both structural reliability and aesthetic warmth. Metal frames prevent warping or instability, while wooden surfaces provide comfort and visual richness. This synergy between materials makes hybrid furniture particularly suitable for modern lifestyles, where furniture must be both functional and attractive. Many modern homes use metal and wood furniture in living rooms, dining areas, bedrooms, and workspaces because it can adapt easily to different interior styles. Whether the design theme is Scandinavian, industrial, contemporary, or rustic, the combination of metal and wood can complement the overall atmosphere of the space. Another significant advantage of modern woodworking that combines metal and wood is its adaptability to technological advancements in furniture manufacturing. Today's craftsmen and manufacturers use advanced tools such as computer-controlled cutting machines, laser cutters, and robotic welding systems to create precise metal structures and intricate wooden components. These technologies allow designers to experiment with new forms, shapes, and construction methods that were difficult or impossible in traditional woodworking. For example, modern furniture often features slim metal frames and floating wooden surfaces that create a light and elegant appearance while maintaining structural strength. The use of digital fabrication also allows manufacturers to produce customized furniture according to specific dimensions and design preferences, meeting the growing demand for personalized interior solutions. In addition to durability and design flexibility, the combination of metal and wood also contributes to sustainability in modern furniture production. Sustainability has become a major concern in the global furniture industry, as consumers and manufacturers alike seek ways to reduce environmental impact. Metal is highly recyclable and can be reused repeatedly without losing its structural properties. This means that metal components from old furniture can be melted down and repurposed for new products, reducing waste and conserving resources. Wood, particularly when sourced from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed materials, also supports sustainable production practices. Using reclaimed wood not only reduces the demand for new timber, but also adds unique character to furniture pieces through visible grain patterns and natural imperfections. Another environmental benefit of combining metal and wood is the extended lifespan of furniture products. Furniture that lasts longer reduces the need for frequent replacements, which in turn decreases resource consumption and waste generation. Some hybrid furniture pieces are designed to last 15 to 20 years or more, making them a practical and environmentally responsible investment for households and businesses. From an interior decoration perspective, metal and wood furniture plays an important role in shaping the atmosphere of modern living spaces. Interior designers often use these materials to create a balance between warmth and modernity. Wooden surfaces introduce natural textures and colors that make spaces feel welcoming and comfortable, while such methods demonstrate how traditional craftsmanship remains relevant in modern design, especially when combined with metal structures that provide additional support and stability. The modern furniture market also values authenticity and craftsmanship, which are strongly associated with natural materials like wood and metal. Consumers often perceive furniture made from these materials as higher quality and more valuable than products made entirely from synthetic materials. The tactile qualities of wood, combined with the sleek finish of metal, create a sensory experience that enhances the overall perception of the furniture piece. This perception of quality is particularly important in luxury interiors, where furniture is expected to serve as both functional equipment and artistic expression. Furthermore, metal and wood furniture reflects a broader cultural appreciation for materials that tell a story. Wood, with its visible grain patterns and natural variations, reminds people of nature and craftsmanship. Metal, with its industrial origins and precise geometry, symbolizes modern technology and progress. When combined in a single piece of furniture, these materials create a narrative that connects tradition and innovation. This symbolic meaning adds depth to interior decoration and helps homeowners express their personal style through carefully chosen furniture pieces. In conclusion, the combination of metal and wood in modern woodworking represents a significant development in contemporary furniture design and interior decoration. This hybrid approach offers numerous advantages, including exceptional durability, aesthetic versatility, and sustainable production possibilities. By blending the natural warmth of wood with the structural strength of metal, designers and craftsmen can create furniture that meets the functional and aesthetic demands of modern living spaces. As interior design trends continue to evolve, metal and wood furniture is likely to remain a central feature in homes and commercial environments because it successfully balances tradition with innovation, beauty with practicality, and durability with artistic expression. Through thoughtful design and skilled craftsmanship, these materials continue to shape the future of modern interiors and the global furniture market.